Hey Justin, I heard you've been taking some German classes. How's that going?
It's been amazing, Rosie. I'm learning German at Langma School of Languages. I've learned so much about German traditions, work ethics, and daily life along with the language.
That sounds incredible. I've always thought about learning a new language, but it seems so tough.
Trust me, Langma makes it so easy. The teachers are fantastic, and the classes are super interactive. Plus, they offer more than just language training. They have direct connections with German companies, so they help with job placements too.
Job placements? That's a game changer.
Yep, Langma even provides visa assistance and a one-way flight ticket to Germany once you land a job.
Wow, that's the full package. So you're not just learning the language, you're getting a complete pathway to starting a new life in Germany.
Exactly. I'm already feeling confident about my future in Germany. If you're thinking about it, Langma is definitely your one-stop solution.
You've convinced me, Justin. I'm definitely going to check them out. Thanks for sharing.
Take the first step towards a new career in Germany with Langma School of Languages. Learn German, embrace the culture, and let us guide you from language training to landing your dream job. Enroll today and start your journey.